Hello, how's everyone, guys? Today's video, my groceries and vegetables arrived, so come and join me to unpack. So let's open the first box, and here they are. Yay! Join me, guys, for taking them out. These long string wings. Lemon. Then tomatoes. And then this, we called it button mushrooms. And how about this? Lady finger, and we call it okra. We have this broccoli, bitter gourd, or let's say ampalaya, very long. We have this red capsicum, or let's say bell pepper. Have this eggplant in Middle East is like this, very big size. And we have this cucumber, first cucumber, small size, and we have this carrots. And that's all for the first box. And now let's proceed to the second box. Let's open the second box. Here they are. And here the parsley. We have this spinach, or let's say what we call this, kulitis in Filipino, and then we have this Chinese lettuce, or lettuce, and we have this mandarin. Then this melon, and then banana. We have this avocado and the kiwi. And we have this 30 pieces of large eggs, 1 tray. And we have this, what name this one? Mango flavor of basmati rice. 5 kg basmati rice. Bread, sliced bread. We have this Almarai kiwi. What's this? Cream cheese. And then this is slice cheese. And then we have this honey. This one is honey, and then the honey peanut butter, and then this honey also, and then we have this mayonnaise. We have this tomato ketchup, Hales, and this cranberry drink, Ocean Spray. We have this yogurt, and we have this chicken wings. Special offer. We even have this sweet corn in can. Coconut milk in can. And I have this instant oatmeal. And of course, the pambansang noodles for OFW, Indomie Pancit Canton. 2 packs, 5 pieces each pack. And we have this spaghetti pasta, 3 packs inside. And here we have this digestive biscuit, special offer, 2 packs in 1 box. And of course, my fresh milk, 4 pack, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of these, my grocery and vegetables for my 1 month. Food and allowance. And I think it's enough for 1 month. Food and allowance. That is 5 kg. And that's all for today's video for me. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next video again, thank you for supporting.